Cascade Falls, man. Check that out. 40-foot drop. Here in BC. Supernatural, British Columbia. Check out the suspension bridge. I'm going for a walk on that. Michael, you going on the suspension bridge, eh?
Yeah, you want a video?
Yeah. I just showing the good people the beautiful scenery here. That's the steps. Okay, let's see what we got. How is it? Looks pretty damn steep from here. Wow. Pretty cool. Got guys swimming in there too.